Well, the point of removing the grill is so I can get to the fender. You can see I've already removed this screw, this one, this one, this one. So there's 4 there, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then there's one more on the outside right there. So just back up a bit so you can see where that is. And then things get tricky because one way up there, another one right there, and then this one's not too bad to get to. I expect these will all be rusted and break on me as soon as I try, but 3 more here inside the fender to get. I'm going to remove the headlight next, and one thing I noticed is that these little connectors that hold together here, they're really hard to get apart unless you run a pick kind of in between the plastic like that and then work it all around. I don't know if you can do that while holding the camera, but it's too hard. Like that. You work that all the way around the seal and then they pull out quite easily.